Hi, this is Laura Gordon, broadcasting here from the Jersey Shore in the United States. I represent the Joomla user group team, along with our team of David and Todd and AK and some others that help us with the Joomla user groups. So how can you participate in a Joomla user group? Go to joomla.org, then go to Community and Support, scroll down, select user groups. Here you can find user groups all over the world, in person and also virtual. Would you like to create a user group? Go to that same page, go to submit a ticket, and then you can create your own virtual, topic-based, or any kind of user group you're interested in. Also, please visit the Community and Support events page. From there, you can see different events that user groups are holding that everyone's invited to participate in. So I want to again thank you, Joomla. Thank you for building this community that we can all be a part of, and every one of you can participate in a Joomla user group or jug today. Can't wait to see you at the next one.
Hi, my name is David Jarden. I'm from Cologne, Germany, and I'm the team leader of the Joomla Security Strike team. Our team's mission is to keep both the actual Joomla core as a software, but also the Joomla.org infrastructure as secure as possible, triage incoming reports, prepare fixes, and communicate it both internally and externally. Personally, I'm involved in the Joomla community for 20 years now. Joomla means a lot to me. I've learned a ton of things during those 20 years. I've met great people from around the world. I've been to incredible places, attended other conferences, I made friends there, definitely. As a side note, of course, it's also the base of my business, but the more important thing to me, honestly, is the community and the people around there. So, Joomla, happy birthday. Thank you for the last 20 years. I very much appreciate it. I wish you and the community all the best for the next 20 years and the 20 years after and after and after. Live long and prosper.
Hello, my name is Olivier Buzard. I lead the enhancement development team and I'm involved in several Joomla initiatives like Pizza Bugs and Fun, Health Checker, and Guided Tours. I first got into Joomla back in college. I wanted to help my family and friends build websites that they could actually update themselves. I did learn by digging into the code, checking out how others built extensions, and eventually started creating my own. That turned into a business and now offer tools and services to the Joomla community. After joining a few Joomla user groups, I got more involved, took on the release manager role, and just kept going. Honestly, once you get into Joomla, you keep building on that passion. The enhancement development team focuses on helping projects make into Joomla releases. We connect developers with ideas, make sure the code meets Joomla standards, and support students from programs like GSOC, WSPP, and the Joomla Academy. We want those students to feel welcome and stick around. If you're curious or want to pitch in, come find us on Mattermost under the PD Enhancement Development channel. Whether you've got ideas, want to help with projects like Health Checker or Guided Tours, or just want to get involved with student platforms, we'd love to hear from you. And happy birthday, Joomlers! The Joomla project wouldn't exist without all the volunteers and users who keep it alive. You're what makes it special. Thank you for your time.
Hi, I'm Christiane. I'm one of the team leads of the Joomla Accessibility and Usability team. Our team wants to make the web a better place for everyone, whether they have a disability or not. For me, joining the Joomla community was one of the best decisions in my life. It gave me so much joy and confidence and friends. So I only can say thank you, Joomla. Happy birthday.
Hola a todos, Soy Viviana Menzel, soy originaria de Argentina, pero vivo ya hace más de 25 años en Alemania. Junto con Cristiane estoy a cargo del equipo de accesibilidad y usabilidad. Además participo en otros equipos en Joomla y organizo el Joomla Day Dag. Lo mejor de Joomla es la comunidad y todos los amigos que he hecho en todo el mundo. Muy feliz cumpleaños, Joomla.
Happy birthday, Joomla! 20 years together. I'm Herman Pere from Rotterdam in the Netherlands, team lead of Joomla's documentation team. Documentation is essential, and the good thing is, everybody can contribute. Someone who is less experienced in Joomla can, for instance, understand very well what concepts need more explanation. For new developers, documentation, go to manual.joomla.org. And to help with new user documentation, please go to docs-4.sandbox.joomla.org. So I hope to see you all there to give Joomla the best birthday present ever, better documentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shivam Rajput. I'm located in Tampa, Florida. I'm the team lead for Joomla Summer of Code team. My team's objective is to bring contributors and mentors together to work on a project during summer and fall season. Personally, I have been involved with Joomla for 8 years. I started Joomla as a student. Joomla has been pivotal in my career, finding my first job. With that being said, happy birthday Joomla, happy 20th birthday. Thank you.
Oh boy, Joomla, 20 years all together, it's 2 decades. I remember when we started together. You were still called Mambo, I was a young schoolboy and building our school homepage. And then suddenly, after holiday, our teacher said, hey, Mambo is dead, we are now using Joomla, and our journey starts. A very successful journey. I found a lot of friends, a lot of projects, a lot of new skill sets, thanks to you. And now I'm Benjamin, the release team lead, and we had a great team which contains Stefan, Christiane, Claudia, Emmanuel, Harold, Jen, Martina, Olivier, Phil, Rachel SD, and we are responsible to make the final tests before Joomla is released. So we are not doing this clean test in new environment. We really use used sites with a lot of contents, with a lot of stuff, and try to update and make all the tests. So if you're interested in testing, join us, and we have a lot of fun. So looking in a very bright future of Joomla for another 20 or more years, we should stop fighting, working together and make great things happen. See you soon, and happy birthday Joomla.
Hi, my name is Olaf Afek. I live in Galway, at the west coast of Ireland. I'm the team lead for the Joomla Community Forum. The forum is there to communicate between the users of the Joomla community, all with different languages and users around the world. Everybody can help. All you need is a login and start answering questions other users might have. Happy birthday, Joomla!
Happy birthday, Joomla. Happy birthday, community. It's so impressive to see that after 20 years, we're still so vibrant. My name is Alan Moritz, and currently I'm the automated testing team lead, but probably most people know me as the guy who added the custom fields to Joomla. So, I wish you another amazing 20 years with this happy community, with amazing events and awesome new features in the product. See you around.
Hello Joomlers, my name is Stefan and I'm the team lead of the Joomla core language team. The translators in my team are responsible for translating Joomla into the native languages. If you would like to help make Joomla available in your language and have some time to spare, please get in touch with me via MetaMost or the Joomla Volunteers portal. Our goal is to offer Joomla 6 in as many languages as possible. Happy birthday, Joomla!
Hey everyone, I'm Richard Gosler from Bournemouth on England's sunny south coast. And along with Cyril, Emmanuel and Mike, many others make up the current Joomla marketing team. What do? We devise strategies to inform, educate and enthuse the world about Joomla. And then we deliver those important messages via our social media team, PR team, events team and so on. We create graphics, write content and other assets like this video that you're watching now, but all designed to A, tell the Joomla world about what's new and exciting, and B, tell the world that Joomla is new and exciting. And as we celebrate Joomla's 20th birthday, we look forward to telling you about Joomla 6 and everything else that's coming soon.
Happy birthday, Joomla! Hello, my name is Sigrid Kramlinger. I'm the Joomla Production Department Coordinator, which means I coordinate the teams that produce the open source system Joomla. So we have regular meetings within our department and there's all the different teams there and we exchange things that are concerning not the only team but also other teams. And if people are unsure how to proceed, we discuss this together. So if you don't know on which team you fit in, just contact me, we'll try to find it out. And I only can tell you, it's really valuable work. You learn a lot about Joomla, about software, about community, and it's fun. So I gained lots of friends and colleagues and yeah, just contact me. Bye.
Happy 20th birthday, Joomla. From all of us at the Joomla Community Magazine team, we're raising a toast to 2 incredible decades of open source innovation, collaboration and community. Every month, our online magazine is created by the community for the community. We have a dedicated team led by Anya de Cron who create articles each month. And we're joined by several other Joomlers who contribute when they feel like sharing their knowledge. Inside, you'll find tutorials, how-tos, news, inspiring stories, interviews, and the voices that keep Joomla moving forward. But it's more than just a magazine, it's a meeting place. Our hangout is Joomla Community Magazine Mattermost channel, where ideas come alive and every contribution helps shape the next edition. So here's to Joomla, 20 years strong and powered by all of us. Happy birthday, Joomla.